I wanted to show you guys. This is, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's a wireless headphone. A wireless headphone, and these are really nice headphones. It says on here they have support voice control, microphone, hi-fi sound quality. What is that? I don't know. Soundproofed and wireless connected, high professional quality, Bluetooth stereo headphones. And the cool thing about these, not only because they're Bluetooth, which is awesome, there's no cord to be giving you distractions, but they fold up. And so they're easy to store, and you can put them anywhere you want. And it has all the control buttons on the side, as you can see, like the stop, play, and the mode and on button. They're easy to charge, easy to use. And let me show you this. You see how it's folded like this? You can open them. I only got two hands, so I had to unfold with the one hand, and then I had to pause. So sorry about that. Then here's the headphones pulled out. Like I said, they're easy to fold. See, and the cushions for the ears are amazing. There's a right and a left. They're really soft, cushiony, really nice headphones. Great sound quality. Fit your head really nice. They're not overly tight. They're not overly loose. They fit great. And I would highly recommend these wireless headphone Bluetooth headsets.